And unfortunately, on my way home here on the bus, someone sent me a video of the guy who protests us everywhere. I believe it's from Georgia all the way to Washington, D.C. He made a statement directly to my face that I will follow you everywhere, every town to Washington, D.C. I say, that's your choice. I walk my way. And I saw the video that he got arrested on our last day in D.C. And which I don't want that. We don't want that to happen. But I think when we do something that is unwholesome, with all kinds of things like that, the karma will turn around. If we commit it into a very heavy one, very strong karma, then it will come back with us very quickly. And he has said a lot of things very not friendly at all, like telling all the people that, Buddha will lead you to hell, and following me, everybody's gonna go to hell, and things like that. All those, when I heard him saying that, it made me sad. I feel bad for him, because I know that he will have to pay for it. Unfortunately, he did. He paid on our last day at the Lincoln Memorial. And I saw that video on the bus when we going back here. I pray for him, and I will find out. We don't want anybody to get hurt. Big lesson that we learn on this journey. Well, a lot. I learned a lot. But what shook me the most is that people come to me and say that you have saved my life. Not just one, but many. That moved me a lot. And so, seeing so much people coming out to join this mission together, that also tells me a lot. The life of people, the life of human beings are suffer so much. That's why within just this movement, everybody coming out.
As we all know, that Bhikkhu Bodhi is the most well-known Western monk. I saw the video that he met you and he went a little bit speech. What was the first word that he said when he met you? What was the word that he said to you when things were time you met you?
Bhikkhu Bodhi is not the only one, but many of the Vero monks who came and met us in Washington, D.C. That is our last leg. All our Vero monks always said, we're proud of you. And we pray for you every single day. You have done a great job. You have brought all the people together. This is something that is unusual. This is something that is very difficult journey, but you and along with all the monks have done this. In this journey, I know that it's a very tough journey, but you all have completed. And we're proud of you. That is what all the monks are able to do.
We are grateful beyond words today, and so meritorious in the world.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. This question has been asked many times, and I have talked on the way back here. In one of our talks in the morning, one of the audience asked me the same question. He said, anything that I can do to have everyone join together, to practice together every day. And I said, my schedule is very tight now. This is Lunar New Year. And you know that May 2nd to May 10th, we have a huge event, international event, where the government of Sri Lanka will come. And I am the one who hosts all this, right? And so we have a lot of things to do. And therefore, I also have online meditation teaching every day, twice a day. right before we take on that walk, I teach every day. And now, after when I walk, my teacher replaced me. And then when I come back, and all the people already asked me to come back to continue the teaching. And of course, after this walk, so many people already practice mindfulness practicing. And I know that practicing on our own is very difficult. Right? For beginners, it's very difficult. We have no motivations, less motivation to do it on our own. So therefore, I will try my best. I will try my best to be online, Zoom or something, so that everybody can join together to practice every day, and then I can share, when we practice, I can share more about that mindfulness practicing, because mindfulness practice that I share along the way, that is just the beginning. That's not it. That is just the beginning for us to train ourselves to come back to this present moment. But that's not it. Still about more to go. So I will try my best. But give me until after New Year. I need to celebrate New Year.
We all love you and we need you one day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for all those words. Like I already announced out there, and the way that everybody if you don't leave me, I will not leave you. And even if I have to sacrifice my life to do this, to bring peace and happiness to the people, I'm happy to do so. That is from the bottom of my heart. Question from the floor.
Where do you find where do you manage to find your walk? Where do you manage to find your walk on the mountain house?
Where did you manage to find your dog on the walk?
The board is asking.
Look, we found from India, Kolkata Airport, during the walk in India, 112 days in 2022. That is when I found Aloga. And after the journey, 112 days, I brought Aloga here, April of 2023. Yes, in India we walk. It's also very cold too. Very cold in India as well, so it's not snows and ice. And these days, especially Virginia, is when snowstorm. And those days very tough for us. We are, and our monks, you see that we don't wear jacket. And all we can do is just bundle up inside and then walk. And it's our feet and hands and everything is just numb and it feels very painful. And especially when we caught a cold, we cough a lot. And we have to cover our nose and our mouth when in the cold. So when we cover it, we cannot breathe while we walk. So we have to take it off and expose it. The more we expose it, the more it gets worse. So those are the tough days for us. After the snow is like very super strong, wind is almost loaded on the ground. With all that snow splash all over our face and body, things like that. Those are the tough days. We get through it. We got through it. We finally got it done in 2 weeks.
Thank you for the guidance.
which is the GW University, right? As a global loving kindness meditation. That is my first meditation that lead globally like that. I do feel that energy together, just thousands and thousands of people in that stadium alone already. And many more many countries also doing that the same thing at the same time with us. And so with that power, I truly believe it will move a lot of people, it will move a lot of people in, will change. Definitely it will also change a lot of things in this universe as well. As long as we continue doing that, our world will become better, will turn into a better place. Given the loving kindness meditation together is for all beings. Loving kindness has no boundaries. And so by doing that, it spread all over this universe, so all beings will receive. And so I think Aloka will be become a peace ambassador to spread love and kindness to all other beings. Earlier, I don't know if she's still here. She offered me some hints that she said that she holds a place with 400 rescues, animal and things like that. And she said that Aloka give her a lot of hope and many more places too. And I have this thought that I will make a foundation called Aloka's Foundations to support all animals around the world. I've been having that thought, and Aloka will support all animals around the world.
Yes, thank you. So I was one of those volunteers in Virginia. Fingertips are still frozen and numb, so I can only imagine what you're also feeling. So my question is, do you accept students who are not dedicated to becoming a monk?
Student is not about becoming a monk or a nun to become a student. Lay people also a student. Each monk, each teacher, each guru have a lot of disciples, have a lot of students based on their teachings, of course. So they will become the guide to many lay people. And when the lay people respect them and ask them to become their teachers, their masters, then that's how it works. And so, of course, it's not that you have to become a monk or a nun to become a student of any monk. But for me alone, I feel like I don't have that much of wisdom and knowledge to receive students. There's a lot of things that I wanted to do, but I couldn't. And so I will try my best just to share with what I have and what I practice to many people as possible. And I will continue doing that. Thank you. Last question.
If you are able to continue, you said online, how would we find that? Would it be the website for here or Facebook, or how would we find you?
Definitely our team will have it online on our website, dhammajeevaya.com, and Wakoki's pages like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. We have those people who control those pages here. We have a lot of people managing all those. So I will make sure they will make that announcement when I'm ready. But you have been following the Walk for Peace pages, so you should receive information every day when we update anything. And during this time, I will try my best to be present with some small podcast or something like that, or just to say hi with everybody. I will try. Okay, so now we enjoy the time here. More than welcome. I think it's no more rain outside, so you're more than welcome to walk around the garden and tour the temple.